Good morning from the Cohen Group Northwest studio. Today is Wednesday, and that means it's time for this week's market update. In the last 7 days in Whatcom County, 61 homes and condos came on the market, 136 homes went under contract, and 91 homes closed. Now, of the homes that are currently available on the market in Bellingham, there are 86 single family homes. So we're not talking about condos today. The current median list price is $761,000. But what I found very interesting in surveying this series of homes is that the median original price of these homes was $789,000. So the current median list price is $28,000-ish less than the original list price of those homes. So we need to remember a couple of things. Two. The median days on market for the currently available homes is 30. Now, last month's closed median days on market for closed homes in the month of June was 6 days on market. The median of our current listing inventory is 30. So we have to remember a couple of things. If a home is well priced in a core neighborhood, the median expected days on market for something going on the market this week might still be 5 to 10 days. Those houses turn over so quickly that they're not showing up on this active listings current inventory list for very long by nature of selling so quickly. They are now on the pendings list. And so these houses that stay on the market longer are showing up in the data week after week and sitting. And for some of these niches, it makes sense. An older home, a fixer-upper, a home that's priced between $1 million, $3 million, or the $13 million home that's now on the market. Those will naturally sit much longer than what we might consider a mid-market range home. So speaking of mid-market, which in Bellingham is quite the range. These are homes that are priced between $289,000, which is the current smallest residential listing price, up to $800,000. We have 50 homes currently on the market in that price bracket, 50 active listings. In that price bracket, we also have 146 currently pending homes. That were originally listed in this price point. Now, because they're just pended on the MLS data sheets, we don't know where their sales price landed and if some of these homes got bid way up over this price bracket, or if some of them even went under contract after several days on market at potentially a price lower than the list price. We won't have that data until these homes closed. But for these pending homes, we do have days on market data. These pending homes, priced again between $289,000 and $800,000, have a median days on market, a days on market ranging from 0 to 74, spread out across there. But the median of that range is weighted all the way down to 6 days on market. So half of those homes sold in 6 or fewer days, half of those homes sold in more than 6 days, all the way up to 74 days. What this is telling us, coupled with other larger data we've been looking at over these past weeks and months, and the experience that our agents and our clients are having in the market right now with multiple offers, but maybe fewer multiple offers than we would see in March and April of this year, is that while buyers are still buying energetically and quickly when the home is right for them, the buyer pool is either smaller than it was in the spring, which makes sense. So many homes closed. The buyer pool, the demand might have softened. There might have been a wave or a rush, and we may have been working through that extra rush, and we're now down to still a strong seller's market, but not one that's quite so hectic as we saw a few months ago. It also reminds us as listing agents and as sellers that every home still needs to be priced appropriately for its neighborhood, its condition, and its competition, because there's other active listings out there that are looking for the same type of buyer.